Good morning, friends. I hope you all are fit and fine. Last night we have reached Champaner, and today we will go to Machi and then we will trek to Pavagad. On my left hand side, now you can see the fort of Champaner. This is Vivek, and together we are flirting with Indian roads. From here, we will take right towards Machi. Machi is just 5.5 kilometers from Champaner by road. The stretch till Machi is completely a ghat. Foot trail is also available from Champaner for the people who wish to ascend till Machi by foot. After a short ride, we reach Machi. Now let us find some good place to park our Maya. From here, you can also take a ropeway till Telia Talab. The elevation gain of Pavagad from Champaner is 417 meters approximately. Pavagad is one of the 51 Shaktipeeths of Ma Shakti, and this temple is dedicated to Mahakali Mata. The trek distance between Machi and Pavagad is about 7 kilometers to and fro. For me, it took around 2 hours to reach the top. Thankfully, climate today is pleasant and windy. Here you can see wooden khotolas or the ropeway caps. There are lots of refreshment shops all along the trail. Here, you can also find some Jain temples in the vicinity. Riots of colors. This is the only word that came to my mind after seeing this. Now here is the place where ropeway cabs leaves you. I was wondering how these shopkeepers are bringing their stuff at this height. But soon I got my answer. These donkeys are the backbone of the economic ecosystem over here. Now let us move a bit faster towards Telia Talab. This lake is said to have water throughout the year. From the rocks here, it is said that Pavagadh Hills would have been existing since Triassic era. Geologically, Triassic era is the one just before Jurassic era. From here, we will begin our final ascent to the top. So finally, I have reached at the top of Pavagadh. This is Mahakali Mata temple, which is under renovation for now. After having darshan and spending some time at the top, I am ready for descent. Descent to Machi just took another hour. So friends, that's it from our Gujarat trip. Now we will first go to Champaner, then connect Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway at Vadodara, and then all the way to Home Sweet Home in Mumbai. I started from Champaner at noon and reached Mumbai by 6:50 in the evening. To cover 454 kilometers, it took us nearly 6 hours 50 minutes. Out of this time, 37 minutes in total were spent in breaks, and rest all the time was riding time. So guys, if you have any suggestion for improvement of our videos, please let us know so that we can implement it in our upcoming videos. Till then, Hasta la vista, gracias, thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Mahakali.